YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Be So Fit, and I'm back again with yet another video. And today's video, as you guys can see, is going to be an unboxing and review on the Nike Air Jordan Union 4 collab in the Desert Moss colorway. I'm 2 for 2 with Union in-store raffles as far as the Air Jordan 4 goes. But with that being said, let's jump right into today's video. And real quick, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Damn it, more videos on the way soon. But let's jump right into today's video. Let's waste no time. All right, everybody, let's get this up close look popping. Again, as you guys can see, I hit on the Guava Ice colorway on the drop last year, and I hit on the in-store raffle as well. Your best bet if you live in the LA area is to go for in-store, show up, get your tickets, and sign up online. That's your best bet. Otherwise, you're competing with hundreds of thousands, maybe even millions of people online. Whereas the in-store raffle, you're competing with a couple thousand LA residents. So you can do the calculation on your odds, but that's just the way I see it. So real quick, let's start off with the box. Very simple. As you guys can see, you got Jordan's hands shooting a J, running through the Union logo on the middle of the box. You got this creamy vanilla colorway for the lid. And then you got this kind of light blue, real nice, real clean Air Jordan 4 box on the bottom. And then you got the hole for the air vent, obviously. And then you got Air Jordan 4 Retro Special Project. MSRP last year was $250. Again, Guava Ice colorway. This year, MSRP was dropped 25 bucks. Not sure why they did that, but hey, I'm never gonna complain. $225 MSRP. Again, Air Jordan 4 Retro Special Project. Desert Moss, turquoise blue, you know the vibes. Union Jumpman on the bottom of the box. And then the rest of the details, typical Nike logo, slogans, patterns, whatever you want to call it. Same thing, same deal on the other side. Box is pretty self-explanatory. Very high quality, very premium box. I mean, you get what you pay for. Granted, you're paying about 200 something, 280 damn near, tax and shipping and all that. So let's kick out the shoes right quick. My goodness. Very beautiful shoe in hand. You've got this plain white tissue on the inside of the box. And then you've got this tissue where Jordan is being braced, being congratulated. You've got hands all around Jordan. He probably made a huge shot, game winner, whatever you want to call it, something iconic. There's a reason why they chose this exact picture, this exact moment. Not exactly sure what the story is, but I don't want to get too much into detail because it ain't that deep. All right, y'all. So with this video, I do suggest you grab something along the lines of this, a paper clip. If you want to unstitch this tongue, I will show you guys exactly how to do it in a second later on in the vid, but let me straighten this out. Again, you don't want something too pointy or too sharp. It'll make sense later on in the video. I'll explain. So grab yourself like a paper clip or something along the lines of this, something really thin and not sharp. All right, so we got that. All right, we got the kicks real quick. Let's just appreciate greatness. Typical Jordan 4 outsole, Nike Air in the middle, herringbone traction pattern with the stars at the front of the foot. You got gold, a mixture of the Laker colors in a way, and then you got teal, turquoise. I really wish the gold on the bottom showed up the same way on the suede at the top of the shoe. That would have been so clean. Kind of similar to how the tag is. Oh my goodness, that would have been dope. Definitely would have been Laker colorway for sure. But it's more of like a brownish yellow, like a mustard yellow. Nevertheless, it's still clean. They use suede again, like what they did with the Desert Moss. And then the toe box is very spongy. I really like that. And then, as you guys know, may or may not know, the cage is also rubber. Translucent wings with no hole in the middle. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but I've seen people cutting their holes in their wings to kind of make it pop out like a Jordan 4 would, but I don't want to ruin the shoe like that. You've got this very very soft and bendable heel tab. And then you've got teal and purple color com on the back of the heel tab. So real cool, real clean, nothing crazy. And then you got a second set of teal laces with white stripes or dots, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, nothing too crazy, guys. I don't know exactly. I guess it's just a new line of clothing that they're doing, a new logo. Pretty cool. You got the hang tag in gold. Last year's was blue, but you got Union underneath the Jumpman. Real clean, real cool, real solid. Guys, I'm telling you right now, while the prices are below $6, jump on it if you really want this color. For the price I'm paying, I honestly would rather go for this colorway because of what the price is going for as far as resale. I'm actually gonna pick up a second pair eventually, but I'm telling you right now, if you plan on getting a pair, this is damn near the cheapest it's gonna get. Maybe wait like another week or two, but yeah, this is honestly not bad for a Union. So if you really want a pair of Union Jordan 4s, the resale on these is solid. As far as the top haze is going for damn near what the Guava Ice is going for, maybe a little less, obviously. Nothing goes for as more as the OGs. But I personally dug the Desert Mouse colorway over the top haze. Top haze was LA exclusive, Guava Ice was LA exclusive, but this year I obviously went for the color that I like more, and what are the odds that it ended up being the less exclusive version, which I'm fine with. Rock your kicks, go for what you like, don't be a hype beast. Do your part in the sneaker community and go for the shoes you'd actually wear. But let's get right inside the details of the shoe. Let's bust out the padded insert. You've got gold. Some of the cardboard rubbed off on the insert, but all good. I'm a size 12. You've got gold, and then you got a light purple-ish Jumpman. Real cool, nothing crazy. They kept it simple. But yeah, real premium quality materials. You definitely get what you pay for. Toe box is real soft. You guys are gonna enjoy and love this shoe once you get it in hand. But I wanted to keep it simple. Now let's show you guys how to unstitch the tongue, give you guys an on-foot look, and then we're gonna wrap up the video. Sound good? Well, let's get it anyways. All right, guys, let me show you guys my Guava Ice real quick. So this is what it looks like when the tongue is normal. In love with how they handle the tongue. And then you've got it when it's unstitched, real dope, just like a Jordan 4 would look. Now, if you are unfamiliar with why they decided to fold the tongue, back in the 80s and 90s, sneakerheads back then would fold their tongue to kind of show off the Air Jordan on the inside of the shoe. Hence, that's why if you look at the Air Jordan tag on the inside of the shoe, it's upside down because people would fold their tongues back then. So they kind of wanted to flex their kicks that way. But yeah, since you guys can see that I unstitched the tongue on the right shoe this year, I'm gonna unstitch the tongue on the left shoe. So I'm gonna pop off all these tags and then we'll jump right into what we about to do. All right, y'all, let's make this as easy as possible for you guys. So with whatever shoe you're gonna rock or unstitch the tongue, loosen up the laces, pop that tongue forward, and then you'll be good to go. Again, you don't want something too sharp. This right here is not sharp at all. It is rounded off at the tip. The reason being is you're gonna slip this behind the tongue where the stitching is, and you do not want to stab into the tongue or the sponge of the shoe. That'll ruin your vibe. That's just not something you want to deal with. I think I made it pretty simple and straightforward last year with what I did with these. I actually even kept the stitching as well, but we're gonna take the same approach and go from there. So let's go ahead and get started with this unstitching process. So again, you're gonna start at the back of the shoe, and then you're gonna pick the very edge, and you're kind of just gonna slip this underneath one of the stitching and then pull out. You know what I'm saying? Pull out game strong, baby. As you guys can see, it's getting unstitched right there. And just keep doing that, and eventually it's gonna be unstitched and you'll be good to rock your kicks. So I'm gonna be doing the same thing. I'm gonna have one tongue unstitched and one folded to kind of stand out a little bit because I want to be different from the rest of the sneaker community. But with that being said, go ahead and slip that paper clip or whatever it is you're using through that stitching on the back of the tongue, and then you'll be Gucci. All right, y'all, the moment y'all been waiting for. This is the final stitch. As you guys can see, let's go ahead and pop this off. Let's do this. Let's slip this right below the last stitch right there. And the process is officially complete. Let's pull that last bit out. So bam, that's what it looks like on the back of the tongue when it's all said and done. So now we just pop off the rest of this right here. Bam. Real cool, real clean. No, it does not look like this. You can take off the stitching, the excess stitching at the top of the tongue. Just pull it right out. Pull out game strong. And we have it. We got the unstitched Union Jordan 4 Desert Moss right there. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think. Unstitched or stitched, folded, unfolded. I personally like the mismatched look. And then if I want to be super extra, flex real hard, I'll mismatch them, and this is how I'd rock them. Kind of looks like what does in a way. So again, comment down below, stitched or unstitched, folded, unfolded. Let me know what you guys think. Now that you guys know how to unstitch the tongue yet again, let's give you guys an on-foot look, give you guys some outfit ideas, and then we'll be on our way. Let's get it. Alright YouTube, as far as the unboxing and review goes on the Nike Air Jordan 4 Union collab in the Desert Moss colorway goes, that's pretty much all I have for you guys. I hope you guys found today's video helpful, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, please give me a huge thumbs up, like, comment, smash that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate that. More videos on the way soon. But yeah, with that being said, that's all I got for you guys. It's your boy Be So Fitted signing off. Only way is up. Stay fitted for me. We out, baby. Let's get it.